this video, we'll focus on how to render and edit the animation. I'll use the animation from previous video as an example. First, switch to Output Properties, then set Output Folder and File Name. In the Output Properties, you can notice that I chose Image and PNG. This will generate image sequence for every frame instead of a single video file. Go to Render Properties and Edit Settings as shown. Then click on Render menu and select Render Animation. The animation would be generated for the selected frame range. Let's look at the generated files. I generated 3 separate image sequences. The title card, which is the text animation with smoke and lighting effects. This has around 468 images. The next animation was what I call spiral funnel. It has around 192 images in sequence for every frame. The third animation was what I call caption, which has typewriter effect for text. This animation has around 64 frames. This animation was captured separated from main text animation due to the bloom effect. I needed bloom effect only on the caption text rather than the whole text animation. Continue with this video to learn how I edit all the animations into one video. For editing, I am using Davinci Resolve 20. It's a free software. I am in the Media tab, highlighted in the bottom. Navigate to the Animation Output folder. You can see that the image sequence appears as a single video. To enable this, click on the 3 dots above Select Sequence in Frame Display Mode. If you choose Individual, then you can see the image sequence. Let's select Sequence in Frame Display Mode. And drag the file into the media pool below. You can create a new bin as shown and then drag the file. Drag all the generated animation sequences to Media Pool. And switch to Edit mode. Right-click in the Media Pool and create a new timeline and drag all the videos into it. Dragging the playhead scrubs through the timeline. Hit spacebar to play the videos. The next step is the edit the clips and add transitions and sound effects. Here's the video after editing. That's all for a 45-second animation. Now on to overlay the typing effect video on the text animation. I'll demonstrate it using a new timeline. Place the typewriter effect animation on top of the text animation. Right-click on the video and select Open in Fusion page. Select Media in 1, press Shift plus spacebar and select Luma Kier, Lakey. Adjust the settings as shown. Go back to Edit page and you can see just the text without the black background. Now for the sound effects. I've added some impact and riser effects. Rolling rocks effect for the spheres rolling. Some more riser effects. I added impact effect when the words land in sequence. There is a lamp buzz and spotlight effect for the spotlight. Added a whoosh effect for the curtain. And bulb turning on effect for the lights turning on in sequence. And keyboard typing effect for the typing animation. I have also added a light background music. And some clicking and bell effect for subscribe suggestions. Now the final video.